Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to export orders from your Wix site. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and then go to Orders. Here, select the orders you want to export. You can tick their checkboxes just like that. Once you're done selecting, click on Export and a new window will pop up. Which orders do you want to export? I'm going to choose selected, but if you have a lot of orders and you filtered them out instead, you can use all filtered. It really all depends on you. What do you want to export? Items purchased or orders themselves? Feel free to select an option. Which columns do you want to export? There are actually a lot of columns, and they're actually divided into different sections here that you can select. For example, order info. Click this arrow button here and then tick the checkbox of the item or items that you want to include on your export. You can do the same for all of the other sections over here. Once you're done ticking all the checkboxes you need to tick, review these things so you won't miss exporting information that you need. And once you're ready, click on Export. Then save it on your computer. And it should successfully be exported as a CSV file. And that's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.